Traditional methods just seem clunky? Maybe it's splitting a vacation rental, paying back a loan, or even running a small online marketplace. The digital age has revolutionized how we connect, but secure online transactions can still feel like a maze. That's where payment facilitation platforms come in, acting as a trusted middleman to ensure smooth and secure money transfers. Introducing lemonway. Today, we're diving into the world of lemonway, a European player gaining serious traction in the payment facilitation game. But what exactly makes them stand out? Lemonway's specialties. Lemonway caters specifically to marketplaces, platforms, and businesses that need to manage financial transactions within their ecosystem. They offer a robust suite of features, including secure escrow services, seamless payout solutions, and compliance tools that navigate the ever-changing regulatory landscape. Focus on security. Security is paramount, especially when dealing with online transactions. Lemonway boasts top-tier security protocols, adhering to stringent European regulations and holding an electronic money institution (EMI) license. This ensures funds are protected and transactions are meticulously monitored. Tailored solutions. Lemonway isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They offer customizable options to cater to the specific needs of each platform or marketplace. Whether it's integrating with existing systems or setting up custom workflows, Lemonway helps businesses streamline their financial operations. Benefits for businesses. By partnering with Lemonway, businesses can focus on what they do best, running their platform or marketplace. Lemonway takes care of the complex financial infrastructure, allowing businesses to reduce operational costs associated with manual transactions. Increase customer trust and satisfaction by offering secure payment options. Simplify compliance by leveraging Lemonway's expertise and regulations. Global reach. While Lemonway has a strong presence in Europe, they're also expanding their reach internationally. This allows businesses with a global customer base to offer a seamless payment experience regardless of location. So, whether you're running a thriving online marketplace or a niche platform facilitating transactions, Lemonway offers a secure and scalable solution. They empower businesses to focus on growth while ensuring a smooth and trustworthy payment experience for their users. Call to action. If you're looking for a reliable payment facilitation partner, consider exploring what Lemonway has to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and happy online transactions.